So I'm just getting off of work. We had a really bad rainstorm, Monday, I believe, and it flipped over one of our meat tractors.
It's coming down so hard that you can't even see very well at all. The trash can just... Oh, I'm gonna go check in the back. The tractors are still holding up. I know it's hard to see out there. There was just a break in the rain, so I'm coming out and I'm just seeing that the Bresse looks like their house flipped and came out and their fence is down. Ooh, I gotta walk through this mess. But yeah, it looks like that. Ooh, I'll keep walking towards it so you can see what I'm looking at. Part of their fencing is down. They're inside of it. Doesn't look like any of them are out. But, ooh, I don't know what. Holy crap. I mean, it was some bad wind. Okay, well, I'm gonna start messing with this. So I'm kind of challenged. These things are bent, and I'm having a hard time getting the wheel on here. It looks like it's kind of what happened in the corners. I know there's going to be another thing of rain that comes through. This part of the fence, what happened is it caught on there, and that's how that's ripped. But you can see where those came out. So right now I'm trying to do what I can to get the wheel on here, because I want to take it over there and just bring it back in so they have something for the rain. I use this little basket to jack it up so I could slide it on there and get that behind. So we'll see if I can get it rolling. I just got it pulled inside. I gotta take the wheels off. Their feed is splashed on everything. Like, I don't know if you can see that. They're over there, like, eating what splashed out. The plastic deal over here snapped off, so I had to puncture a hole to make that just hold on. The frame looks like in certain parts it's coming apart, which makes sense because when I go to shut the door, it's not lining up for me to actually lock it. I was like pulling at it, so I'm gonna have to use this deal some kind of way to get it to shut. I got the door to shut by like jamming my foot down just to get it to shut. Also, that feeder, I had to tie the deals up there. Shoot. There they are up there. I guess when the wind came through, it like made them to where they don't shut like they did on that slider.
So this is the tractor that got flipped over and damaged the top rail of our Gallagher fence right here. Seriously, get a room. These birds are loving this little area. They'll be roosting up on these branches and whatnot. You can see there they're doing their little dust bath and scratching. So when you're seeing your chicken doing this, don't worry, especially if you're new chicken orders, don't worry. They are just dust bathing, and what they're doing is just getting all the mites kind of like a mite protecting of them and staying cool.
Oh, one of the, ooh, that we should have grabbed more of those because it's loose. Look at the other one snapped. Snapped right there. I
Okay.
think that's part of an issue too.
Yeah.
Because it flipped over the fence.
Okay. What I'm probably going to have to do is just put a diagonal brace here and here, across through here, and through the fronts to kind of square it up and get it tight. But some of this is came apart, being that it's 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. Hopefully these angle brackets, if I put them in the corner, inside corner, it could kind of square it up temporarily for now, but it's still.
Do you see that corner right there?
Yeah, this has to go inside here.
Yeah, I can see the gap.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I gotta screw that in. There's a corner over there that needs to be screwed in.
These boys are always trying to attack me. Go on.
You said this was messed up?
It needs a zip tie. Oh yeah, the black things won't hold. I guess when they were snapped so hard, they broke. So I have a knot, but I didn't realize until my visit earlier getting eggs that the zip tie was snapped. I was like, wait a second, that's not attached.
It works?
No, it doesn't. I promise you. I've walked away like a few times between when it happened yesterday. It doesn't.
Okay.
You always be questioning me when I tell you something doesn't work.
You got your knife on you?
No, I don't.
Sugarfoot. So I need to get another drill. Secure these with a hole through here. Use a zip tie. That will secure that.
I need to be able to access the wheels. I can't get them because it's like the wheel, every time I put the wheel on, and I literally fell backwards on my behind trying to wedge it past it.
Let's see what a new bracket looks like.
Must be drying finally. That one just needs to be tightened.
The only thing is I might have to put new holes in it for longer seams one. Yeah. That one's still on, but it's just not tight. Hold it.
He walked out the door and then walked through the little door. See, as soon as I stepped inside of there, he doesn't like it when I'm in there. You see how he is? I don't trust him. He's always trying to get behind me.
I'm just gonna move this glass up. So
Is that all you have left?
yeah, for today.
What else do you need to do just to
Put those diagonal braces on.
so it can be moved?
Yeah.
He doesn't like you blocking his entrance.
That's tough.
Yeah, that just right there will help a little bit. It's been
Next time I'll probably Monday when I have enough time. I'll put the diagonal braces at the ends. That way it'll keep it square, because even though this is pretty much square, it's still able to twist. Even though we got the braces and brackets at the bottom, we still need some at the top to keep it from rocking as well.
so just gonna beef it up some more.
Yeah. And it's crazy because this is the tallest one. I would think it, but I guess since this is more of an open pasture.
And what was different is all the other ones were in that position that I have it now, but this one was actually
Going this way.
yeah.
And the wind was, for the first time in a while, the wind was coming this way. Normally we'll have wind coming from the southeast area.
I think that the wind flew it like a kite.